If you're in the market for a new floor or tabletop LED lamp, then I've got two for us to take a peek. Let's see what the differences are. So a few of the differences between these two LED colored lights is the one on the left is taller, the one on the right is a little bit shorter. The base is definitely one of the things that I noted. This base is much sturdier. It's got this nice, I mean, I know that it's not going to get knocked over. Whereas this, well, it is heavy and I like that it's flat. It's not as what I would consider sturdy. However, this fits into smaller spaces. So that's definite bonus here. I would say that this is this was so much easier to put together. Like definitely much easier to put together, but it's made out of kind of a plastic and this is more of a metal. So it definitely feels better. There are a few differences in what they can actually do. This one has a music control, which is pretty awesome. And it does have a timer, but this has more of a timer function than this one here. And then the other benefit of this one that I really found extremely useful because I lost this remote control for a while, so I had no way of turning it on. This actually on the base, even if you lose your remote control, it at least has your on and off button. You can still scroll through. So that's extremely helpful. And then the other main difference is that this has a much longer reach and it plugs into the wall, where this is a little bit shorter reach but it does have a USB-C connection. So this would even be great like on a desk and you could easily just plug it into your laptop, where this you've got to find an actual outlet. So let's see what they look like in the dark. You're going to notice that the one on the left puts out more light than the one on the right. Well, they both have adjustable levels of light. I think I made an error earlier and said that the one on the right does not. They both are adjustable in the amount of light that they put off, but this is at full max for both of them. And I will say that the one on the left definitely puts out more light than the one on the right. It's harder to tell here. But okay. So this, it's a little bit hard to see here, but you can see the actual lights, the individual lights, where this is just a solid light. Not that you would want it facing towards you. These are meant to kind of be backlighting. But this is the white. I would say one gives off a little bit of a warmer, whereas the other gives more of a bluer, cooler tone. And there might be a setting actually for that. So which one do you like better? I think that they're both really great options. If you don't want to put together a lamp, I would go with this one. If you're okay with putting together a lamp and want something that throws a little bit more light and is a little bit more polished looking, this is your one that you're going to want to have. I really do like them both for different reasons. I'm going to keep this over by my desk because it has that smaller base and it can plug into a USB-C, whereas this one has a larger base, so I'll probably put this on the floor. It's a bit taller and it throws a little bit more light. And this is what they look like with the lights on. So if you are interested in either of these, click on the links below and check out the prices. And if this information was helpful to you, then click the like and subscribe button and definitely leave a comment. Let me know which one you prefer, if there are certain features that you use. I'm kind of on a colored LED kick, so if you have a great LED, let me know.